Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a lemon. Let's start off by drawing a big curved line. Then, add a small nub at the end like this. Mirror the big curve below and close out the shape with another nub at the top. To add some texture, draw some dots on the lower portion of the lemon. To draw a half lemon, start out with half of the big curve. Add a nub at the end, then go all the way around like this. For the 8 segments inside, start by drawing a triangle with a tip pointing towards the middle. Then another, and another, and another, and keep going until you've drawn all 8. To add some more detail, draw a few thin teardrop shapes pointing towards the middle for the seeds. Add some texture with some very thin broken lines also pointing towards the middle. Lastly, draw some dots on the lower portion of the lemon. And now you've got a lemon!